Okay. How good is that? That's what. How quick? How fast is it?
You don't. It's 50 dog, but you know, rain sometimes.
It doesn't rain.
It doesn't rain sometimes, but it's supposed to be really fast. Never catch our eye.
Yeah. Doesn't I trust and I'm trying.
Hey, trust them.
I trust.
Let's go.
Doesn't I trust and I'm trying. Okay. Okay. Doing another. Ooh. Oh, nah. What's he? Okay. W stream. W stream. Can't be W if we're not logged in though. And we need to know about so we are within. We need to know about we are within. If you the link, Lisa, what's the goal? Leg. Yonke into ihamba ngoline. Yeah. Mark, you need to test it first. 1 2 might check 1 2 1 2. It's 9 o'clock right now. Seems like vibrate is the one. Okay. Lag. Whoa, chat already. Lag. Hold on, chat. Can finish 5 minutes, chat. And then I think it's gonna catch up. Whoa, lag asuk. Yeah, chat is saying it's lagging. Restart what? Usually, if the first 2 minutes there's a lag, then it catches up. Yeah. Much man can impinge a young 2 minutes. Wah, ngena nje lag. Whoa, chat. Siphethe utalidze endlini relaxani. Banembeko. Calm down, chat. For sure, no be voice yami iyavakala because usually sound is usually quicker than pictures. Get lag. Are you le yakho inathi I-router aye isindwe mhlawumbe xa connected. Yeah, bra. Xa connected iwe ezininzi ayisindwe.
I never have issues now because it's during the day, yabo.
Okay.
But ebusuku.
Wow. Okay.
I will disconnect now as well.
Chat, how's it now? Chat, I'm sure it's gonna be fun, man. Why didn't temp? You have looked at leg is sugar. That's crazy. That's crazy.
But long after the start,
didn't temp, but wow, chat is locked in. Didn't temp, it's gonna catch up. That's the thing. It usually does that. Yeah, well, it usually does that. Okay. After some time. Whoa, chat. Talk to me, Sinjani. Ask Lega now. Chat, how's it now? Chat, I'm sure it's gonna be fun. Why didn't temp? You have looked at leg. That's crazy. Chat, what's going on? What's your? Some people say. Didn't temp, but chat is locked in. Didn't temp, but it's gonna catch up. That's the thing. It usually does that. Oh. It usually does that. Would ESPN call you restarting bra?
It's a typical thing. A lot of times, always in outside, it's just fresh.
Oh.
But I can also hotspot. Can mobile. Can I hotspot you via the mobile and just see the difference?
Mobile is very short usually.
Because I do have
quite
a lot of data as well.
Dang. Well, what am I searching for?
Changana is iPhone.
Imani chat please nini yokubukela abanye abantu. Man chat. Anathi. Yeah. Yo abanomonde kaloku ndiyabazi. Yo abahlali lanto kuthiwa yi-patience. Reconnection successful. Mark.
Far
Chat hard, man. Sorry about that, chat. Siwezi akhona.
Yeah?
Siwezi akhona.
Yeah, boy. I'm
Okay,
busy.
so far.
Business and- it is. I'll catch you on Sunday, though. What sounds about?
Welcome to the chat.
I'll catch you on Sunday.
Stress
What
praise
sounds
about
about?
it.
Yeah.
Wo, yabaleka. Yabo? Ingathi yeah, move right. Right. Wo ingathi Chris Brown indlela endimove ngayo.
Then let's keep the mobile thing
Away.
for so long.
Away.
If
Ayimaki, can you go away now yourself on the stream? Press the link.
Yeah, I was just about to share. Let me just do that.
How's it? What's the call?
Hey, oh, later on, eh?
Don't leave it. Okay, app.
Nah, I don't have the app. I just joined the URL.
Oh yeah, bro. Oh, you don't even have an
Yeah, I'm not
account.
a stream,
Oh
girl.
nah, you don't have to be, bro. Except I supporting you. That's crazy. Elmans. You're a more. Elmans. Nah, I think we're good now. Chat.
Yeah, but I don't want to do too much also on the phone.
Nah, yeah. I think my part.
Yeah.
Sakuquka sagibela. Engaphathi. Yabo. Okay, chat, we back again, man. So. Sure. What's going on, chat? We back now. I think we're now. Chat, what's going on? Okay, I think it's a grand.
Yeah, it was right.
Ne. Ne.
It's a grand from the other side.
Yeah, one thing about people, they will tell you.
Hey.
Sibulela umonde, sibulela insebenziswana chat, yabo. Sibulela insebenziswana, you know what I'm saying? Kancane siyahlanganisa, yabo. It's not easy, but somebody gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? So chat, masinamkele, sekusela, masinamkele chat, yabo.
Axelwa. Senkoka.
Masinamkele chat, man. Sorry about the lag. Ungayilight natsika apha ecaleni. No ye, Buddha, jonga. Ikhuphe lewe. Lewe khaki natsika. Ijikeleze isiphume. Inatsika lewe irectangle. Ukwenziwa kanti uncede. Izakwazi uncedisa nayo yonke lewe. Yeah. Chat, what's happening? Silapha ngoku. Sisize Nkosi.
You can only change this thing.
Ne. Hayi yaphuma ne. Ngibona indlela ifoni efake ngayo. If you're going to be live ingasime straight. Yabo.
Yeah.
And bam
Go live on Mrs. Street?
i-portrait ifoni yakho kodwa uzawulive ngusfere.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I only.
What did I do wrong?
One live is only portrait. It's not straight.
How is it portrait live?
Uyenza uportrait
I missed bro. Be white. Be white.
No, it's fine.
Nakanje. But so ibona mase sisebenza kanjani?
Yeah, send it, boy.
Easy.
It's fine.
Easy.
Your shit is nice.
Yeah.
But
Then you
we
later.
are like banjani boo.
Tubalekile.
You know my lives are straight.
God, really? Hey, I just call it
It's not him.
You should like some about this.
Half of the time you change it, we'll see you again. This rule. This the same time. I haven't had language in that one.
Except bathini unantsika or
Usasa no Nangozen on the way.
Ne.
In the next 20 minutes.
Okay.
They should be here.
Okay.
Whereas Usain was asking, but did we get keys? Calling him private, I was on the keys, but I manega. It's our better keyboards.
For real?
As if menada. But we'll do magic.
For real?
Yeah.
What do you mean magic?
I mean, when you have a voice, madam.
Oh nah.
Aye.
Oh nah. Okay. Okay, ni melody ngokwenu.
Yeah, so
Ni melody ngokwenu.
So
Except but uTalita, how does he fit in kuyo ngilwe?
let's do one. Chipping. Zoe zakhe lo Talita when the soulful music. He's a DJ.
He's a DJ. Yeah.
Plays specifically R&B music. Besides Zach.
The thing is, I don't wanna lie, man. Like chat, I don't wanna lie. The thing is, you barely find. When we started talking about this, about like even good shows uve kusutha kuzongena uDJ we R&B. It's a genre engajongangwa kakuhle yabo. It's either it's gonna be house with the piano that is booming now, and then when a slot says a hip hop, you barely is a hip hop who's gonna mix in and say
reset.
but like how is that work, bro? Like I could with difficulties. What's the goal with that one?
R&B Cape Town is like usage. Cape Town. But yeah, we try, we're pushing, we try Pasifake in marketing, but it's difficult. It's not easy. You will find it in certain places. Like was in like there are few places in Cape Town as it like maybe in the CBD there's a lot, but in our townships
Also, he plays Sunday, so he's got
definitely.
Yeah,
the sound is definitely for Sunday.
Yeah, he does the Sunday, so I'm climbing from 3 to 6, where it's just R&B music. So I think it's a matter of Tinabandu by Funai. We just have to find places as yenzayo. It's just that
that's only Sundays.
Yeah, only but it's
Sunday.
fitting though, only Sunday, because that's when R&B on this time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think umculo was Sunday available, but I'm barely seeing anything that's happening. I have to.
It's not supposed to be like that. Because
It's not.
Sunday only. Because you find like Koma, Joburg, Northern Cape, all those other sides. Idlala even phakathi eveki. The guys get booked every day.
Okay.
But here in Cape Town, only on Sunday.
In Cape Town, is it? Oh, of course. Come on, chat. Come on. Oh, this is of course. Come on, chat. Of course. We know, chat. We know, chat. Ebesa no selichinja ngoku. Uzokombela kube ngomso. Uzokombela apha chat. I'm telling you. Uzokombela. I'm telling you. Skeke simyeke. Kuthiwa the brew in the white can sing. Lisa. Okay. Utenji. Now, man, you except we are speaking about something very important, man. Here, all jokes aside, the way about industry of Cape Town, is it only R&B?
Things R&B, Afro Soul also.
Leave a little apart.
Afro Soul,
Nangu mechanic when events, he must answer to these things. As an chol,
promoters, and
he must answer to these things.
On what?
We're having this conversation. No, who feels like Afro Soul, R&B is undervalued.
It's not that I turned off it. I turned.
Yabona when you apply,
Yeah.
it's the way about event organizers. They move with what's moving right now. They don't venture into new sounds, or they don't venture into society. They move with what's moving right now. So if when they ask Baba Mizu Swapi, obvious numbers are guaranteed. I'm gonna move to Swapi all along. Yeah,
It's not a question about big John.
Teni when I was R&B, your R&B is moving, whatever, I don't care. But when I ask Bam Swapi, I'm gonna move with that as well. So that's the problem with Ilan Ruga. the guys that organize events, they move with what's moving.
Like trend-wise.
Trend. They don't venture into. They're not tapped in.
Oh,
If Nadivile, even if they are colored the events, but if Badivile, Ngundu, but
Yeah.
say Injayamia is popping.
Right.
I'm gonna go with him, just because you told me.
Oh,
I'm gonna go with him.
basically, it's all about selling.
It's all about numbers. If I know about that's why I can pull numbers, I'm gonna go with him. Whether he does it or not, but if we declare the car,
Now, Korekisa Pai as well, just to
Oh,
make
it's a buile.
you understand?
Utin Brown, what do you think about what he's saying?
Me,
Mm.
firstly, I understand why promoters would move like that because it's about money, right?
Yeah,
And that's
definitely.
so when you're doing something and you're gonna put your money in it, you wanna make sure it's successful. And most of the time, it's easy to go with the guaranteed route. Yeah, well,
And
Yeah.
and also you have to make your money back.
100%.
Yeah.
But most of the times, abantu don't know what they want until ubabonise.
W's in the chat.
Yabo? People don't know what they want until ubabonisa. So now there's an element issue because if you look at the shows, there's almost a zonge in Cape Town when they come through.
Buddha.
It's packed.
Buddha.
Which means bakhona abantu
Buddha.
for this thing. It's not like a
Buddha.
band. You understand?
Buddha.
Those shows
And
are
they're
sold
designed
out.
ngazo.
Are sold out. I went to there
Zonke.
was Cape Spring, which was full of those kind of
Touch
artists.
it.
If you go to your Grand West Tico events, they do that. I went to watch Usizimbili recently at
Correct.
Kwenye Theatre, so Orbs. It was packed. And you find on TikTok about the booze, as event in his near as gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper, yeah.
Party.
Chat
Abantu-
yan ku-events is
Abantu
R&B.
are not looking for that live band feel, that music. And again, even if you go to a club and a DJ switches to a Mario, Let Me Love You,
Move around.
they go crazy.
Yeah.
They go crazy. Plus 30 AM, hip hop, whatever. Because we fucking R&B song, we got born reaction in your band, but itini now.
You're right.
So I feel like I can agree when it comes to time, in terms of, okay, you have an event from Kalango 3 until 12, then you can categorize sets according to the type of music and the beat and whatever. So with the slow jam vibes and later on piano. If you can do that, me, I can do okay. Not to completely be like, go 3 o'clock and 8 August,
House.
to step.
But
We are still sober.
Serious.
We are still sober, dog. So I think there must be.
So what's your
enough
argument?
representation.
So like, what's your argument in the question of you?
Hello, I was just affirming and we Teta as well, but I understand why they would go for that as promoters. But the problem that I have with them, as much as I'm endorsing what they do, they do not branch out. And I'm saying, but Abandu don't know what they want until you show them.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
So you're a supporter with
So I support what you're saying, but I also want the presentation of our music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
that's-
yes, Plaga. So yes, Plaga basically.
Fair,
Okay,
fair,
yeah,
fair,
enough.
fair.
Fair enough.
But you accept, lo mculo again needs to be attached to something, because house or piano can be attached to a groove. But ke ngoku abanye abantu would attach R&B to romance and all that. Is that all that R&B can give?
Definitely not.
Dimamela.
It's a demand.
Roman uvume.
Nah, don't do that.
Give it to us.
Umculo wethu
Really listen to
suniphambanela
soul music.
kwedini.
Soul music. You get songs is in a groove where they put you on a dance floor.
Okay.
It's not like you're gonna sit and cry and miss girlfriend. The soul music.
Thank God.
For me, it's just
Thank
soul
God.
music. For me, is just for rejoicing or reminiscing. Sometimes this song held along tatakho kudala. Now time alisekho. When you play that song, uneza memories tatakho.
Dance
He
with my
was
father,
happy
Luther Funrose.
at that time.
W Luther.
He was happy that I take Gulano when I was hlala phansi ukhala benje time. No. That's how I listen to soul music and R&B. It's not that when I'm listening that in their go and detail in Lashiwe.
Right. Okay.
Soul R&B and soul I can listen to at any time.
Anytime.
Utupra wenza umzekelo ngo Dance with My Father.
It's
Isn't
not a
that
love song.
people are saying something about that song.
Yeah, it's not a song of romance. When we tell you about
Yima badlali phakufera. Bathi la ngoma it's about bisexuals is like ufluda.
which one is this one?
I'm telling you, Chad. I'm telling you.
What?
Dance with My
I
Father.
think people don't listen to
Abahlali,
R&B and
abahlali.
soul music. They only listen to the chorus.
But even the chorus of that song, bro, Hima. Sifike njani kule part sanayo. Mastale understand. Let's get to this one. 'Cause it's brand new. Like
No. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you the context. Chat, akhomba uyazi enjisayo.
Come on.
Bantu bakafera awaqondi kahle. So.
I don't know.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna be tripping and I'm gonna be reaching.
Okay, go for it. Let's go.
I went I can have
Yeah, don't have a father, but
did you want you are so hard man.
But that's how it's supposed to be.
fuck that
Man.
nigga. He's still alive. He's still alive. Feel
I won't try not to RIP dad. What?
No.
He's still alive.
Still alive. Fuck him. But yeah.
W milk.
We're gonna come back and console this man.
W milk though.
Pump the ngogo there on the
Yeah.
absent fathers because it's not a good thing.
Yes, that's
But
it.
cool.
Yeah, fuck him.
Father went to buy milk, chat. W milk. Okay.
Okay,
No,
cool.
what happened is, I don't know about the scroll about Fera. What happened is, second Fandros when you were singing Dance with My Father. The father, that context, the father. Yeah, well, he was singing about a partner yake.
Who?
A male
Fandros.
partner. Luther is singing about a male partner.
Okay, so
basically Dance
Not
with
the
My
actual father.
Not the actual father.
okay.
You get what I'm saying? This is not an argument about on the lyrics uti. You get what I'm saying? I just know that information. I'm not sure on the lyrics.
Okay.
But if ever singangena we might debate the whole night because no one's okay.
No,
Even if
I don't want to go to them because I know as a writer
Yeah.
that sometimes you have hidden concepts within the music.
Okay.
So I
thank you
can
for coming.
take that
Right.
in as much as I cannot validate the truth of the story, but I can take that. But okay, he did think about
Okay.
a partner.
See how lyrics.
No. Hear me. Before
Ah.
hear me before you go there. Pause.
This
this
is
one.
back when I was a child.
Yeah,
so I was
pause.
opening-
Maybe it makes sense.
Maybe pause, pause.
Chat is Luther Varans gay.
Was.
He did?
The way we're talking, is it something that you took from e-comments or is it something that you...
No, somebody posted. Someone posted this thing on Facebook. Like how about
So
all
you
this
took
time?
from Farah.
No, I just said it most by. I'm not saying it's facts.
Ah.
But look, remember, when you have conversations that you throw those things in between.
Okay.
It's not true. It's just a loop.
It could not. It
can be true or it
it
can be
is.
true.
Okay.
Depending also on where the person on Facebook saw it from. Some,
But if it's from Farah, it's fake. Probably fake.
no, but we don't know the
Ah,
source. We don't know the source of
There's-
that.
oh, come on.
Who?
We don't know the source of where they
If
got
it's from Facebook, if it was from Insta or X.
probably
What are you
Yeah,
saying?
Facebook.
Oh, the check!
it's
John!
fake.
Nyamba!
Facebook is fake, dog. I won't lie. Facebook is fake.
But
the
that's
platform
besides
is
the point.
Insta though.
That's besides the point, those days.
Facebook
Because
Facebook is
I could
fake.
see something in the documentary.
Wait.
And once we say documentary, it means that
Yeah.
whatever publisher most of the time did research. And
Wait.
they gathered this information.
You will
tried
never
to prove-
find an accurate documentary on Facebook.
And
No,
actually
kaloku,
the
but
doc-
kaloku ndiyakwazi uthatha information endiyifuna document yipost on Facebook. So
But
now
I'm saying-
it's still a matter of a source, the real source. You know?
But I'm saying you will never find an accurate.
And then
So,
in
abantu on Facebook.
Hey, what should I call this? You will never.
Andifuna uvuma wayibhalela ibhalileyo but remember on Facebook you can write whatever you like.
Aziniphikisa uFacebook ngokwento ngamandla and that is not the point I was
You will
trying.
never find an accurate thing on Facebook. Bro.
Facebook is
There's
just,
never
it's just
accurate
his source, but it's not necessarily where we say the information is coming from. You understand? But naizange question mhlawumbe kweza comments okanye abuze mhlawumbe
Whatever he saw.
whatever he saw by so ithathapi lo mhlawumbe lo beyipostile athi nansi clip where this thing is being said ngabantu mhlawumbe that have a much educated opinion than the masses is on Facebook. Yeah, but that's fine. But I'm just saying, but sorry, that kweza lyrics ayikho
Okay.
that indicates that.
Nah, I think people will just made that thing up, man, to
Okay.
what you are saying, to just get likes and all
I'm telling
that.
you, Matar. There's never accurate.
But this,
accurate.
but even when I saw that Facebook wasn't even monetizing, but I get you.
Yeah, there's never
I get you.
accurate.
I get you.
There's
Because
never-
the
never-
opening line was Ngoma is talking about a mother lifting him up.
Back when I was a child,
Yes.
Yeah.
my father would lift me high and let me
Ikola
dance
manje.
with my mother. Huh?
But
I did back when I was a child.
kaloku you can't be like us mos wena uthi ingoma kaloku hayi bo hayi come on
I'm
child.
still fixing my ginger. My ginger is
I got you.
That's why it's
I
coming.
got you. Otherwise, the conversation wasn't about that. We were having a very important discussion.
Like about R&B.
But Ngixolele,
R&B house
I have to
music,
throw these unserious ones as well. You understand? Because I don't want us, to lock into a serious conversation all the time. That's why sometimes I throw these random things. Okay, the R&B is at the back. Is it at the back of all genres though? Before I continue, is all
When
like
it comes to being played in Esdawen,
but price. Let's talk about radio.
Let's talk about
Isn't it in front when
No.
it comes to radio?
No, there's R&B, there's soul
And
music.
let's be honest, Chad. Let's be honest. When it comes to radio, I think
I
R&B
think
is
radio,
fine.
No,
Isn't
no,
that enough?
No. Yet we must finish ohlukene.
Okay.
There's R&B, there's soul.
Tell it, Chad.
R&B, that's a rap and ballad music. That's R&B. And then there's a soul music, where you get music from the 70s and 80s.
Okay.
They were singing soul music. R&B started
So when
from the 90s.
are you talking about the James Browns? When in
The
70s?
blues.
Yes.
Okay.
It was blues.
Yeah.
You just say it's blues.
Oh,
And then we found the soul within the blues.
right.
And then it changed to
R&B.
be soul music. And then by 90s, it's like everything changes. 90s, there was a R&B from 90s up until 2000. 2000, they were like, it changes. R&B was still R&B. It's still R&B even now. The R&B over Chris Brown.
Hey, abayibiza pop. I was so
Ipopping
shocked.
in Mensaphi,
I was-
ipopping in ingene ke yona. Okay, but continue sorry.
Like ne. Sorry. I'm now so shocked. I looked at someone like Adele or Rihanna or whatever. Well, Adele for me is like R&B because I'm judging it mostly because that's all. Understand?
Right.
Like when you look at the categories of the music listing, it will be under pop.
Well, unanzi Adele.
Yeah.
But which one is what is pop? You thinking in it?
It's still, for me, I don't want to lie to you, the knowledgeable as to what differentiates it. But I always think these subgenres, the R&B. You understand?
Like,
Similar
yeah,
to
yeah.
how hip hop has trap,
Trap.
have trap music,
Yeah.
and then it's got
Rap.
rap. That one.
Yeah.
So there's subgenres within it. Yeah. And if you come back to Mzansi, that I would struggle with if you look at the Black Diamond guys. Sometimes you don't know if they're doing maskandi or it's hip hop or it's soul or it's Afro soul.
They're doing something else.
Yeah, but- So now when you submit your music, ne?
You should.
When you submit your music, you fill in the metadata of like ingoma yakho, the writers and all of that.
Yeah.
And then you have to choose the category, the genre, and then you have to choose the subgenre.
Okay.
I'm curious no bafaka no babhala ndoni bona exactly.
But what does appeal xa udlala yena umculo wabo? Like if I go on Apple right now, kuzovela ngani?
You would find them umzekelo lebo playlist called Mzansi Soul on Apple. You would find them there.
Oh, when we go R&B and soul.
Which is
So do they appear on
specifically that song.
So do they appear on various genres or do they appear in one genre?
I think it's
Different
various.
song.
I think it's various playlists. It's various
like
genres.
like mna ndingathi like amajita afola ane-afro soul nje kusitsho sithi mzansi soul but it's
Yeah.
afro soul.
Yeah. But they move like hip hop brews.
But come on.
The
So-
dress code type thing.
Yeah,
Ebona mshida what you call his name? Danya.
Dang, yeah.
Danya released the album.
Yeah.
So his album, does he appear on, let's say, Mzansi Soul, okanye Mzansi Pop, okanye appear also zonke, okanye
He can get on. He can get on both of those.
Both
Two.
so
Definitely
appears on
Zoe
both.
too. Yeah.
So is ingoma okanye the whole album, or does ingoma one? Like we say, ki Afro Soul, and then hip hop, he appears.
I think when it's one song, he can describe what it is. But when it's an album,
I forget no genre, okanye.
I forget close trend because uthini usanotupra about uthe ndibuze uba yena is R&B and soul what lengoma specifically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Therefore meaning you
So
can
that they can appear in many genres, basically.
Remember when they get an album, they're gonna playlist it on different playlists based on the type of songs. Umuntu album yakho uzaba nengoma ezi faster, ingoma ezi more soul, ingoma ezi
Slow, yeah.
and Daniel can even rap.
Okay.
So he could appear in the hip hop list as well
in the same album.
in the same album because the album yakhe you would find different things. Yeah,
oh,
you don't
follow
find
based on how it sounds.
you don't find on no I'm just saying so when you release an album you pitch right to different playlists and which have different categories.
Okay.
Yeah? And you don't necessarily maybe pitch the full album, you then go and pitch certain songs
That you know.
that you know but Leni Ngoma fits more in this and you can list it yourself as such but ingoma belong to pop bazayimamela bona bayibona uba ingaba le ngoma nyani nyani iyabelonga ku pop above and beyond that inhlembu nayo pop bayibekile playlist and they're gonna ingenzeka ku pop but ingabikho tse bangayithatha.
Okay.
Yeah, but I
Ayisebenzanga
feel like it's
nesiqaleni
easy not to define the
Lesekuqaleni
big genre.
ayo iPhone vele le.
This is jazz. Now with jazz there's different types.
So you might know this one. You're telling me about
Cool fit.
if I can like pitch a song, ne? Okay, it doesn't matter if I pitch it or not. But if Tina will say about okay, this song is R&B,
Yeah.
when I'm watching pop, who's there to put the final decision or to say about okay the song is pop when we see the R&B?
Nah, there's nobody who's actually gonna block you.
Who? The artist or the
You as the
organizer?
artist, you as the artist or your label who's going to be doing your submissions. When you go to Apple uploading your music, or you even go to Sambro to upload your music.
Samra is the one who gives you royalties, right?
Yeah. One of the many. I think there's 4 up in Mzansi, Kapasa, Sambra, and there's also Risa. When you go there, if category yakho mhlawumbe uzibeka kuyo wena wrong, they won't reject that.
ndithini bakunika ingoma eyi-1 kula album yakho.
No, I'm just talking about now lena ibuza umsiyane yoba uthi umsiyane ngubani o in charge to determine the type of music that you do. Dithi mina nguwona muntu wenzayo or whoever is submitting the music on your behalf. If it's a label, it's a label. Akho muntu phana uzawuthi uyaxoka wenza R&B. Izawufakwa is R&B. Then abahlaka beyiva bona bathi no man. Ayo R&B le. Then bazawuthi njengobahlali baza kuya kwenye category but in the metadata pha split sheets and whatnot wena muntu wayo ubhale R&B. You understand?
So I can do hip hop and say this R&B.
100% but sakuphikisa thina.
Ilento bayenzile ngosukusijava baye bamphikisa bese ezinye ingoma zabo zakhe a hip hop. Yabo.
Oh, that's an interesting conversation I had.
Is it?
There are songs abaziphikisa abahlali bana.
Ushav Ivura, do you think Ivura is Afro soul dog?
That's hip hop.
Yabo.
That's hip hop.
You understand?
That's hip hop.
But then when he does Exeni,
Yeah,
like, okay,
that's
but Typhoon, Where would you put Typhoon?
Typhoon.
Typhoon, that's Java.
Typhoon, since and there's
Because there's spoilers there now.
Typhoon.
Yeah.
Typhoon is a tough conversation. Yeah.
Yeah,
Where what would be Typhoon? Where did they put it, bonus in themselves? What is Typhoon? Yo, that's actually.
So your
Hey, John.
Yeah, that's actually. A
But
good
I'm sure
one.
it's in the soul side, bro.
Typhoon is in the soul side.
Yeah, because of the beat itself, like the progression of the chords. Yeah, that's class. Yeah. Is it Galele? The chord which me on is class. Oh. Kusiya kule brothers usilisiheni K napha. Better about you. Credit.
Big. And the bone.
Get info.
Alright.
Go after soul. There we go. Go good and try.
Hi, bro.
Left it and
How's this Afro song? Because only the part that is.
But that's the thing. You can rap on a jazz chord progression song. That doesn't change that it's a jazz song because rapper called.
yo, what is the English and you Yo, what is the English and you uthethe into engayivayo mfana.
Dithi
What
mfiyana.
are you saying? Yeah.
Ndiphelele mna kwethu lewe ndithi yakwazi ba.
Thetha isiXhosa. Don't speak Afro what
Chord progression.
Yay!
Chord progression.
Ndicinga bamna into echaza ingoma ngaba
W's in the chat.
Sengoma. Yabo. Ingoma inganesingqi sakwantu. Ungayibe nesingqi se-R&B. Ufike wena kwingoma enesingqi se-R&B urap. Awuzuyitshintsha la ngoma iyeke ngokuba ingoma ye-R&B nqaba uske warapa kuyo wena. Izawuhlala pha because nguwe oye pha.
Okay. So what's your argument?
No, I'm just saying ba kule weka Typhoon.
Right.
The reason Afro Soul is because before usijava cule, before the Qoilers zingene zirepe, ibihamba njani ingoma? Ibeat yona,
Ibhekwe ingoma yona.
yeah, ibeat ibisithini before ba rap ba decide ba okay, zabethu Typhoon isivunguvungu whatever. When you listen to the song idlala beat, let's say it's a studio where we're going to make the song,
Yeah.
iyadlala. What feeling do you get from the song?
We get the Afro.
Exactly. I even never.
So we take it from there.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's easy. It's the same nayo lengoma yakuzoba mnandi. Kuzoba mnandi is uthe Africa or
Mm.
There you go.
You're right.
But it still falls under what?
Afro Soul.
But the pace here almost is kind of different from
Exactly.
the pace is more quicker than your normal song.
To explain it. I think I feel like Ukhumani should be your interpret.
Sikagulu ngalivaka bahlali bandivile for sure.
Yeah.
But on progression. But on chord
Chord
progression.
progression. What is that? You don't let chord progression. Don't
Explain
let.
to us. We are listening.
No, guys, there are chords emculweni.
Sembambe ukhodi lokho ndiyamazi.
Okay.
And mazi.
Kaloku progression.
Asibuza igama nje
Simamele,
uthi
nice.
ukhola igama emculweni.
Mad.
Any chords. Okay.
If you do keys, you have there's OC major and whatnot. If you do a guitar, you have no G, F, no E. Those are individual chords.
Hey, man.
Then you're going
Can do keys in there.
When we assume about we know, we don't know. I don't do music. So,
I'm not even a scholar myself.
Yeah,
But okay.
Uthetha ngento oyaziyo wena. So talk to people like abangayaziyo lento uthetha ngayo. Don't talk to people like no. Don't talk about chords and interpret what.
Imagine from where like from what you have said already, ne?
Yeah.
Uthine isiginci.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yabo isiginci.
That's the word we know.
Isiginci.
Yeah.
Njenge sinye za strings.
Yeah.
String ngasinye sikhupha sound yaso.
Yeah.
Yabo.
That's
Yeah.
Xa, yabo. Ungazikhombana istrings zibe mbini sikhuphe enye sound.
Yes.
Yabo. Those are the chords. Or those are the keys.
It's chords is easy. As a guitar things are like G6, Z6.
No. Yima ngoku
kaloku ndilwa nendawo yokuthi ongazidibanisa zibe yi-2
sikhuphe sound.
because
Ayo chord.
yabona isixhosa isinkali liyi-1
Yeah.
which is 1
Yeah.
ayiyo chord just because uzidlala izayi-2 there has to be a certain type oyisibamba ngayo isiginci so that sizokhupha i-chord yala type if
Imaka, i-chord is a sound.
yes mandibeke kanjalo for umuntu angazi-understand
Okay.
xa uthi qing umuntu oyaziyo igitara
Uza-
nguG minor lowa okanye athi le ngoma iku-C
So i-chord isisinqi.
yabo
So kumbe
Sizathi
sisasana
yintoni
same.
i-chord? Sizathi yintoni?
Because- I don't know.
sifuna siyengesixhosa
Sisinqi yintoni i-chord?
no man I think when you talk about progression singathetha ngesinqi because
Chord production.
progression
Listen, me, I don't know. So kumbe it's gonna sound the same. Kuma ungabetha usi.
kaloku wena awungomculo awungumuntu omculo wena but funeka uyazi uba ingoma ine-chord progression kuyo iyalupha
Aha.
yabo ibetha mhlawumbi chords eziyi-4 to get la flow yayo okanye la loop yayo yokuqala iphindaphinde
Chat yintoni le umbilical chord sithatha ngapha? Okay, then kwesiginci
funa njoni ta
i-chords zesiginci nezepiano
Okay.
azifani mos.
that
But ke ngoku ipiano ina-keys kanti yona
uzeni uyeza futhi uzasitakisela
i-chord.
kakuhle nge-keys because he plays keys he plays
Is-keys ne-chords is not the same thing.
Can't be.
not really
Killing chords. Can't be.
it can't be because
No,
muthiawo
I
Ah,
thought brothers,
listen,
you know.
Listen.
Go crazy.
Keys, I believe they are on the, what you call this?
Piano. Keyboard.
Keyboard. The keys are there the most. It's about the book. The keys are there. The chords. I'm not sure if they're here or they.
no but
I-
every
it could-
song has a
it-
key
But the chord progression was is
every song has a
those-
key so if
But if we're gonna talk about keys, we know about Sangandon.
So
Emculweni.
izithixo zikho kwezinye inathi azikho ku-flute.
Nah, you can't.
Guys, just that
You
the
can't talk
keyboard,
about
just
keys.
that the
You can't
keyboard.
talk about keys. This king.
No,
Ku-flute,
not keys. Key. Nxa wena msiyana uhamba nalantu ba ipiano sisithi zi-keys. Ne?
Man zingakhona izithixo nakwenye no.
But what about his what
Instruments zikhona instruments ezine-keys.
it's a key of
Yeah,
it's a
I
key.
know. But if ever I'm
But
gonna bring up
it-
keys,
Kaloku ipiano ine-notes mos yona.
automatically you're gonna know what I'm talking about.
The only thing that it has ipiano is notes.
Okay. Nangu zi.
Zii-notes ongazifumana.
Exactly.
That-
That's it. That's it.
Izabhuti.
Oh, when you can't live class and
Class bethu zingapha.
Kameni my dog. Umnyaka.
Swara Brian. Yes. Shap.
Yeah. Mkhulu.
Siyaphila kunjani?
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Malume.
Forever, chat.
Sorry for that.
Siyankikisha. WTazeni in the chat.
Bakala baphakathi.
WTazeni in the chat. Ngwanaka. WTazeni in the chat. Yapaloni way.
Amanzi.
Amanzi bethu. Why about you drink water?
WTazeni.
Son, expensive, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yabo. Glass.
Oh, yeah, the bigger one.
Iza nenkulu noba igcwalisanga. Khupha leliwe bethu.
I still amanzi da.
Expensive kanye mhlonyana.
Hayi sela mntakwethu.
Hlonyana is crazy.
Sele.
Hlonyana is crazy. Hlonyana chat.
Nifika apha sithetha nge-chords ne-keys nentoni.
Okay.
What are chords? What are keys?
Perfect timing.
Come on, DJ. Games and yes, he can play. He can play.
Ungathetha nepiano ngezithi.
Yeah, uTusiya i-keys ziba khona kwi-piano qha.
Mostly.
Mostly. Okay, but yeah, rephrase the question direct to the man.
Okay.
So that we
Okay. Apha sifeyila udifferentiator, keys,
Okay.
notes, chords, yabo.
Okay.
Because ibisuka phi kuqala. Let me track it back a bit. Yabo. So that sibe ne story song. Ubra uthe the differences kwilantsika kwingoma that you can call it an Afro soul, an R&B, or an Afro pop or whatever. I-chord progression. Sapito lelo gama ke ngokuthini ba.
Okay, banotshoyo.
kusho.
Okay.
And let me put it like this. And masifake le piece.
Ubuti lo ngowami.
No,
So ikhona into endi slide.
ndifuna ufaka le piece that ibe ne context right.
Fire.
Umzekelo uTyphoon ne. We were debating about Typhoon ingoma ye Afro soul na okanye ye hip hop. Since ngusijava neqwelazi. Yabo? Iyaretsha ngospa. And then usijava neyacula. So where does the song belong? So I'm saying ke mna ke I think ijudgment yengoma ibhekela kweyiphi category is even before senze le nthina sayenza from the beat itself. Isimo sebeat indlela ibeat ehamba ngayo. Eyobe ufika urap wena pha kula ngoma okanye icule is already defined by progression ye beat. Yabo uTyphoon
Seniyazi generally.
seniyazi ukuthi uba yena yenza kanjani. That's what I was saying. So uthola nje chord progression kodwa ndikhumsha kakhulu.
Watoka icacise isixhosa.
Kodwa hey manje ngesixhosa ndabhideka ke ngoku nenda isixhosa ya sathi ndonye
Uzima ucacise isixhosa fundi.
So ifumene ke ngopha.
Uthi chord progression.
Help him.
Oh, iputhe pha. Oh, okay.
Oh, what are keys?
Keys, ne? Okay, so no, serious. Okay, so in the keys, ne? Thina singamajita
ngoma enhle nje besikhuleka.
Sinisi.
Bone ngomnyungu.
Over.
Lock in. Okay.
Yeah.
Lock in.
You'll see, I
Okay.
So
Except phinu uye phandle take
Okay.
pictures.
So, keys, ne? Abantu abadlala i-keyboard, but keys i-keyboard sometimes. It's the whole board.
Oh,
The board. Le ipiano.
right.
Bayakwazi ukuthi zi-keys. Then i-keys yiyo sonke esascale sipha sikho kuyo yonke instrument in fact i-keys. Yabo? Like aba-G, ntonto.
Imo xa usithi siko kuyo yonke instrument, flute, ntoni zonke.
Yeah, ne-flute inazo i-keys
Okay.
because
We
you
are
have
together.
to you have to play nge-key. Awukwazi uyidlala into ibe off key.
Okay.
Yabo, ingoma zonke funa zibe nee-keys zazo. If ku-G, yonke into funa ibe ku-G. Noba yikati kusengomeni funa nayo iba iyanyawuza ngo-G.
Okay. Okay.
You understand?
Ikati nyawo ngothi.
Yes, you know that zenzeka zonto. Nam njengoba ndithetha like njengoba ndithetha uthetha kwami ndingafumana i-key kwi-instrument ngothetha.
So i-keys sound.
Yo, zanza kubeka njani na?
Sound. Are you trying to
Yeah,
say
sound
when
nje inayo i-key sound.
Any sound.
Mascali gent? Can I ask
That's a
something?
key.
So there's a key to everything.
I have a question.
Can ngicebe zabisenye into?
Me do.
So-
what is that?
Me dodo.
Nalo bidodo ukwi-key yakhe.
D.
Type nje abumzi.
Okay.
so yima uthi
I'll
keys
show you
sound.
something. Cut. Okay.
Masingabe ngidivana exactly asihambe nayo.
Yeah, even anyway.
Akazuyiva because cancel it.
Check. Hayi check. Nam nditsho.
Bathini?
Bathi uyaqonqa cha.
Impawu yayivo sayiviki kanjani?
Okay.
So, Ketazeni, what's your argument? What's what's your...
No, I do.
No, I'm trying to
Usaza nayo onke.
Yeah, like isn't sakhe like the like isgcina sakhe.
Okay.
Okay.
Sicily
I
Star.
see
I'm saying-
Keys.
I'm saying that keys,
Mhm.
keys, sound keys.
Aha.
Yabona from G ozawe zonke.
Aha.
D do Z keys ezo. Yabo. So in any instrument you will find keys.
So it doesn't matter about the instrument.
Yes,
Yeah.
doesn't
Find
matter.
keys.
You will
Ungaskobe
find
off key ka wena msiyana.
Yeah.
Kube nguwe.
Claw instrument.
Kulo instrument
Yeah.
leyo.
But
Also,
there are many ways
remember-
of making sounds.
So when pick you bra, me like I'm argument yakho iba keys askoki piano.
I piano qha ine keys.
Ngimuzama uthini ngomsiyana akazi understand. Zama udlala plastic ezaweza
Kaloku argument yami yakho.
Yeah.
Ma argument.
Umsiyana uthi keys keyboard. That's what
Yeah.
it's for. And then we are saying
Keyboard.
You know, even drums ezinqonqayo,
they got keys.
Have keys.
they have keys. Umuntu odlala drums xa kukho into ethiwa isistick
Tuner.
yeah, tuner. So tuna ngayo nxeba ukhe mhlambe ithi cofa D, then ucofela uthi ayenze dimethe nalakhi.
Amchule ba if.
but kalo it drums elo uthini ngena tsika ngena eli ke ngoku
Percussion.
nah, liyatsala kaloku liyatsala kakhulu kanye
The bongo drum.
drum eli
Uzuqaphelela
Ukubukela
drum.
naseziyoni
Yeah.
or
including
Uzuqaphelela drum. Bona kwalona idrum. Idrum xa ulibetha ne, xa ukhulive xa ulibetha esiphakathini nalapho.
That's true calling
Xa
me.
ulibetha yabo so
Spotty lapha. Andizokwazi noyibamba le code because
kwabantu be-percussion
Mphendula.
bayayazi bayona ngezonjalo abantu abazi-percussionist.
yeah
You understand? Percussionist you guys are like, okay, instrument yabo like ezi instruments zifana nalamagugu mancinci abantwana baxhansa ngawo insimbi
yeah
sezawe
Yeah.
ezo shaker zi-percussion yonke lena.
The whole set.
Yes, the whole set. Then back with drum kit ile yabo. So yeah.
okay we are at keys now
Yeah, we had keys.
okay let's andifuna ujambe futhi
Okay.
you need xa usuka ku keys wenze la connection between the keys no chord
Okay.
what was the third one but must siya ku chord
Yeah, we
You
know.
note.
note and
Yeah,
and I don't want it to jump. There must be a connection since ingomculo between the two.
So
So
it's
you
gonna
want
be
what?
so
Siku keys siya ku chord ngoku.
keys.
Siphumile, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
But
okay.
andifuni sijambe from key because remember umculo wonke lo.
Okay.
Ifuna ibe connection between la key ukuya ku chord.
So,
And iyavakala ne?
So
So say chord.
Siya ku chord ngoku.
So sitting chord. We are so we're discussing
Don't-
about what is the chord.
okay.
Oh, okay.
So manqandi explain it from my own
Understanding.
yeah, understand.
Perspective.
Yes.
Ndiyakhumsha na.
Okay.
Okay. So the chord.
And also
Okay, sure.
we incorporate uwe how when you use it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So umnikhodi neni explain ukubana manje njengoba nisisho bakho keys.
Yeah.
Yabona namntu udlala ipiano keys phana. So kolami icala ngicinge record kuxa kudibene keys because i-chord uyicofe ngeminwe. Yabo. Keys, I'm talking about keys. Yabo. Nakwi guitar ikhona i-chord. You understand?
It's
Now
a
we
combination of.
so it's a combination of as a keys.
It's not just one string.
Yeah,
Mbenteka lo mna you can get a chord by combining two strings.
When
Sound different.
avoid a string.
Kaloku thina sinucaciso.
Okay.
Oh, string esi1 cannot release a chord. Okay.
A string as one can be on key, I guess. But
But
you
not
know,
a
when you
chord.
talk about chord, you are combining. That's what I've been sitting. You going to like uzawudibanisa strings.
Yeah.
Ngendlela ethile udlale. You scrum if it's a guitar. Ikhuphe a
chord.
sound
Yeah.
which is combined by different strings, but it's not just randomly pressing the strings.
Yeah.
Ufuneke ibe
Uyazidibanisa ngendlela ethile.
Okay. So masenze umzekelo.
Okay.
So in keys we have C,
I get you now.
D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Yabo. So ukukhupha i-chord uyodibanisa umzekelo u-C no mhlawumbi mandithi udibanisa u-C no-E ubambe no-G yichord leyo.
Copy code yona.
So Usi,
Yabo.
Usi would be something like this.
Asidlali apha.
Quick guitar. This is C.
Practical.
This is C.
Zizanoni ibhura ezo zilapha zize piano kanye.
Yeah, as a piano. Nalapha zikhona.
This is
from
C.
from C
Okay.
And then this would be G.
Okay.
So when I talk about when I chord progression,
Okay.
progression,
Yeah.
they did move from C to G, to mhlambi E minor or something. So now ingoma uzibe complete, it can move from C A D E. Repeat we are back.
Yeah.
C A
Assault.
D E.
Assault.
That's how songs are played. To pick is that.
Madif.
Ah.
I'm
I'm not a guitar player. I
So
don't know how to play guitar.
guitar. Keys.
But there's
Kutheni usithi akasoze Chomi?
Nobefuna idlala, ngifuna izwe.
It's
It's called Ben Haben impressed.
always gangile as my uncle plays.
Oh, Haben
So
And he's setting
So-
in there.
so like to put the whole conversation in one bracket is like you can move from one key to another key in one
Song.
song basically.
That's
If by the
possible.
piano, you can move from
Yeah.
piano, guitar, and whatever you may.
Not like that. But Msiana, it's like this, ne? Before we move on also, it's like if you see uze udlala ingoma mhlawumbe uyoqala ingoma MD or whatever uzasichazela uba
What's an MD?
Yo, Upra, why you always
Use his
mentioning things
term.
random?
Yeah, use his term.
Why are you mentioning things randomly? Well, CP.
yeah, it's like a musical director.
Okay.
Xa kuzawudlalwa khona in charge of making sure uba xa nidlala as a band. He's in charge of exactly. He's in charge of the whole scene.
Yeah, so
Randy Ma,
nizodlala kwikey.
Akamamela ndicikisele. Won't uvelenye, but it's in line with this, so it's fine. Yabo. If you look at in every group work, there must be umdu who's in charge.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Fair.
it's a clash.
Fair game.
So an MD, someone who's appointed to oversee yonke edibene no
I'm an empty chat.
yonke into edibene nala performance of the day mhlawumbe okanye laa ngoma. Yabo, but usually it's the performance of the day.
Okay.
Yeah. So if Uzain
So yeah.
An orchestrator.
So if you're an MD and
Valitango, I thought.
Yo, chat.
do we clash or there has to be an MD and there has to be an orchestrator? One by one,
no.
we can coexist.
I don't think there's a name for an orchestrator, but an MD orchestrates. You understand? He orchestrator must delegate his and
No, an orchestrator is the guy with the stick. That's an orchestrator.
Nah, no such thing.
Oh, the stick guy is the one in
Oh no,
front.
Pambi, we're quiet.
Yeah, that's an
Bra,
orchestrator.
overlang.
That's an orchestrator. The guy with the stick.
Sondela bra mana overlang.
No, it's
But I
fine.
think into one leyo.
Uinstruct.
But
How much?
There's an MD, sorry. There's an
How
MD.
much?
Siyawusabonyina him. That's a different thing. Siyabuya ngale. Yeah, because we talk about choir music now. Yeah, but orchestra type of vibe.
But benza into eyi-one aba bantu.
Yeah, they're all doing the same
empty no
thing.
instruct.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
Empty kaloku yena mos creates the whole thing. But instructor umanje pha ngaphambili.
No, ubafundisile before. Are you telling me uba abantu bavele baya xa kuzoperforma bavele bathi benze yonke laa nto?
But also coming from choir myself, umuntu onikeza instruction, it's there to almost remind you uba sizawunyuka ke ngoku at this level, because yabona into when the
What do
choir
you call that
make it
person?
very precise.
What do you call that person? That's an orchestration, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Same difference.
We'll give you that. Yeah, we'll give you that. But that works with choir, like with orchestras, like we, especially even in what's this music? But operas and whatnot. Because as in choir, you have to be standing and you have to sing every note right because names.
Right.
You can't afford. It's so easy to pick a mistake.
No.
It's so easy.
Ni by 200.
Yeah.
Umntu ophumela ecaleni
So,
ongaculanga
Ima-
onke
Ima-
la
hold on,
note.
hold on. even they nathula, can you notice? Hey, bra, soze. Kwikwaya siba 200.
Sasibuya fondini ekwayeni thina. Xa sesenza i-review kuthiwa wena ubuthula ubumama endaweni ethile. Because khona xa sewupractice zikhona into zivayo. Remember abantu practice all the time, maybe a whole month before. You're just not going to hear it wena because you are bukela from this side. If I even as a person ucula yedwa namanje kana le band, i-mistakes abazenzayo bazikhona. Anizuzazi nini. That's one here because I know. Yeah, because I know how we practice this thing is all.
Okay, no.
So you're not gonna hear it when, and that's the whole point.
Masitale kaningi there. Sister utewa wanantsiki wa relate. Has that happened? Pause, I'm saying right light. Has that happened to perform live? And then uba, what do you do with situation?
Many times. I don't panic, I just sing.
But I go
and nabo sizaphinda sibuyelana sidibane iphinde ingoma idibane. Nina ngeke nginotice.
So is there ever a time whereby uzibona ba uputile like
W's in the chat ngwanaka.
Uyaziva. Uyazazi
So is there ever a time where wena like uzibona ndiputile ngoku but I can continue with the show?
Yeah,
no, what's that?
Ziyenzeka guys.
An embarrassing moment. Did the people where people catch it?
No.
Abakhethi.
So you don't have a
Neka wenze show ba abantu bakuva. This is your story Fondini.
So as an artist you don't have an embarrassing story?
I don't remember guys.
Performer live at Kenya. The pianist, were out of key, but you could see Anthony is disappointed. But he carried on. Even he backing vocals that's out of key.
So I was speaking about the lead singer now.
The lead singer is
lead singer. They continue. Yes.
Abantu babava.
But I play music. I can hear this is out.
I think
the question is
that's crazy.
So when I put the question is, if ever there's a situation whereby let's say that's what is out of key when like if anything goes wrong. What's your protocol as a singer, or as a guitarist, or as a pianist, or what's your protocol? Is there a protocol whereby if any one of us go wrong, is there a protocol where Tina sits back, this is how we continue, or this is how we move? If only one way to ends a mistake.
No, I think
freestyle.
As an artist and your artist, but I think one of those things you need to be a person who knows what you are doing. Yeah. You know, but up, you can quickly go back that's what I'm saying. You continue your thing, Nina. I find my way back, and then to allow me to come back in because everybody, even with drama, you must know what you are doing. Yeah, they're gonna find a way. Even kwa vocalist it's either uchinchi note to allow you to come back, and then it's easy.
To perform USB. Be fucked up. It's background system. What do you do? Fucked up.
The amount of rehearsals as a guy before a show means. Even hand gestures when you perform are not just hand gestures. You are talking to your people. Let's go down. There's so many things of and also at the professional level, that's why there's ear PCs, the ear monitors. Because then the people at the back
MD,
music director. Drama is too fast. And sometimes now what I prefer is even the moput there because it can happen born at the back is too fast. They need to adjust. That's the protocol. They need to adjust to my pace.
So how are you going to communicate that with them?
That's the thing. That's what is empty. Ubanibani pha drama is too slow okanye is too fast. Ubanibani fast too much than maybe sonke for some reason we're not doing it the way we did it with rehearsal. Khona obhudle apha kuthi.
Okay.
The job here to sonke most of the time
Damn, this
is
seems to
for
be
me ndive uba this low is then I can signal with the hand but they must up the tempo or something.
Okay.
Or bandibone boqala likayibona into bayikhonde off.
Sure.
Bandibone kuqala then they adjust to it. Remember also xa uperform you got the speakers facing abantu, then you've got the monitors eziphambi kwakho. The monitors ezuzivayo wena mntu uculayo ezinina nizivayo azivakali kuwe. Whereas if on monitors mzolo ngaba you could be so off ungazazi. I watched an incident ngoku Grammys. This guy to the ordinary.
Okay.
What happened, Pan?
John Legend.
No, John Legend. No, this is one of the new guys. I forgot his name.
Oh, that guy.
Andrew something, yeah.
Oh,
So Punyan.
what's
And-
the country Muslim
Who that is?
It's almost like that. But yeah.
It's
Oh,
dope.
Post
good.
Malone.
Oh,
Everybody.
it's good.
It's Post
Post
Malone.
Malone.
No.
He's a
He's
new
a
guy.
new guy.
Nah.
Big ass.
So my man is a
Let
kapana.
me check. I
It
think
does-
the
it-
following
it-
check.
yeah,
It's
it
not
is.
come on the Grammys.
Big cream. This is overseas things, yabo. It's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
perfect
I know what Grammys
it's a perfect example of bangayijonga abantu lawenza ithatha jonga negama about for me.
No, yeah, I can check it. But who's that? Only ordinary.
Yeah, the song is
He's
called
American.
The guy is
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
inezekayo phane i-backup vocalist zakhe zipha estage, right?
Okay.
Zisestage,
Or it's more, it's creativity.
it's creativity. Usuka yena mhlawumbe from the back of something.
Easy.
You understand? He's wearing earplugs zakhe, ear monitor zakhe.
Easy.
The band is there, the speakers are there. I-sound travelisha ngenye indlela, right? So njengecula nje yena pha,
Right.
if becula without the earplugs, ebengazuyiva la sound ivwa ngabantu. First of all,
Okay.
because zipha, it's like a stadium vibes. Kude,
Easy doesn't.
you understand?
Sure.
So as a cula, i-job ye-earplugs kuva la mculo through
Yeah.
the ear monitors.
Yeah.
Because uva directly, even if a crowd iyangcola, iyanyuka, it disturbs the whole space. Yena umculo uyawuva, which means he's able to stick to the key.
Akaziphazamisa.
Akaziphazamiseka.
Correct.
But now the earplugs malfunctioned, right? Now as malfunction, he's not able to hear the music properly. As by Sunday stage, as by Sunday stage, esiva umculo, and abantu ba-backup bawuva ngendlela ethile. Khona misalignment between him, the backup vocalist. Yabo, they are a bit ahead of him, or he's a bit behind
Okay.
kubo.
Okay.
Yabo. So he had to adjust on the spot with them. If ungayimamela Williana, he's a bit off, but somewhere towards the end, he caught it. He continued, which means there's no do-overs. Which means there's no do-overs at that level. You cannot say, but
Ngiyacama, man.
maqalelwe. You understand? You have to, but okay, the behind and fast now is slow shut down. Yabo.
No man, le nto yenu ikhandi ngathi ba difficult.
And just to add on what anathi aqobo yitsho, kwezinye i-bands like lena yam i-band, because esikhokela i-MDs and stuff, so sizifundise i-sign language ba kukho bhudayo zama uthetha naye communicate nge-sign language.
Okay.
Yabo.
Or you have your own things.
Yes.
Okay, because you say umnwe.
Yes,
what's
stuff
wrong.
like that. Yeah.
Or
Kanye-
is encoding.
Yeah.
That's actually
Into ongazuzazi xa ubukele.
Awuzozazi wena nje
Uyasaluda.
ndinqumile
Yeah.
awuzobona
Uyasaluda.
noba ndenze ndithethile like sigqibothetha.
That's
So,
actually fine. That's
yeah.
actually fine. I like this. I like. Yes, I'm. Leno bendiyithetha about R&B, about people who do not really understand.
Yeah.
It seems like no, it's very complicated because hip hop can perform. If you have never put it, qalan madoda. Qalan le no pants.
Well, not sometimes
Like
I
music.
remember the performer Vivan. Ndidlalelwa ngumtshana wami Keys. So
W Mchana.
Shout out to Mchana.
yeah, the hour. So uyadlala but ayikho kule khile ngoma ikuyo ngoba idlalayo.
Okay.
uyaqhubekeka manje like ngiyamjonga but akandiboni. So I had to dithethe apha emayikhini ndithi yami please qalela ingoma.
Whoa, of direct.
Yeah, that cela uyiqalele mtshana. Wayiqalela nyani wayidlala right futhi ngingakhange nditsho uba i-off.
And then sina sacunga uba no noba ufuna uvisa abantu
Yeah,
nanto
yeah.
banga like
It's
banga something
not a
uqoba
creativity
emnandi
thing.
engomini yes yes
Ooh.
So nathi
kanti wena uvile wena kala xesha ba no uze
Asitsho uba class performer nijonge
No, me.
giving out too much.
From today onwards, I'm gonna watch performances differently. I don't wanna fight.
Bro, even besides R&B and soul and band, Bobona, the communication between a hip hop guy, as influencer no DJ. I used to, when I watched Bravo performing with DJ at the time, DJ Saz and Omsai, everything is coordinated. Like, but I switch off with DJ Barepe without the beat. It's not just a freestyle thing. It's timed.
It's at the right
It's
time.
timed. Oh, flip.
The right
The
time.
other person who was doing that proper was Pro at the Selective Live show we did. Where Pro ne punchlines.
Child.
Pro X. The old one, the hot man.
Oh,
Deep.
let's be specific.
Yeah, sorry, Nyansi, that's fine. So, yeah, na I perform. He has a lot of those DJ pauses because that's how you get to hear the punchlines.
Off no
So
bet.
that's vagal.
W tap.
Yabo, if DJ Yakuba ne beat, we're not gonna catch the punchline.
W tap.
So now it's a matter of I bet you that thing takes time and it needs. That's why when you rock up with it, it's not DJ Wham, not just a random person who's out like USB, because you have communicated together, you know how this thing is done.
okay
And those things, there's a separate type performance into the average.
That's what makes you a performer. Like Uta Bravo was a different performer than anybody.
Yeah.
So you need to be live on stage.
So couldn't you said what backup tracks with the USB, and this man was playing keys, and then everything just switched off, and it just yeah. What was the song? Makwang. Yeah. I was even me. What is that? By the don't talk about me. I'm like, oh, which one is this one?
It's another one. It's another. Tabita Bravo. Tabita Bravo.
Like it has.
You can ask Sai. Zange is rehearsal and science up high stage. Because number is a woman like, okay. What? Like, oh, okay. Wait, okay, I can't and I'm born man. I never phone. I'm like, at some point, now you let home to come full on stage. You've been a connection. Yeah, you've been a connection. No problem. I'm sorry about my chatting. We talk about
now it's a must.
I think it was because I'm a so clock. Yeah. That color now band.
Okay. I see that.
Live show. Yeah. Alive. No. Yeah. Television. Randy empty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
WMT. Cool.
So yeah. So nambona pha I understand lo ngicula kawenzi nje ba yeah
Bayiphila.
for the sake of that I'm doing umculo yabona uyayazi lento yenzayo and khona umehluko phakathi kokwenza into
Yeah.
uzothina uyirehearse okanye uyibone kubani
Yeah.
like that guy ebeyiphila dog
W Bravo.
telling
W
you,
Bravo.
that guy ebeyiphila for him to tell me that there is a Mudili.
Oh, how in the world, since in Laban,
What's the
Itini,
the
intro.
Oh, okay, no.
You know,
Who is Zimbini, by the way?
Uzimbi nomazi. But I know you Zimbi,
Sorry,
you know.
man. Mistake. That's
Susipe go. I don't know but if chatting out before to Bravo.
right. Photographer.
Yeah, a photographer. Yeah.
Yo, what a song.
Langoma, it was a VN dog.
No.
Nam do tuka. I was like, huh?
Stop the cap.
VN.
I want to ask for some files.
Oh.
kuze ngiqomba damn bravo for babe nendlebe yokubana avume lento kwamayiphume just for ba EVN inswebu le.
That's production now as well.
Trust me dog, ayonto vele uyenze nje to sing ingoma ibe on key from uyiqala uyigqiba. Ay that awusisiphe
Special.
yabo.
It's a beautiful song.
You know how many times I've tried to find this person. I've never seen Ususipe
But you know,
anywhere.
Zimbini, Luthelana, she's good.
No, that's why I didn't put down because I know her. So Zimbini is Ususipe. I'm like, Idini.
That song dog. Even ngamncane idlala la ngoma.
Level.
Hey yeah. Ebekho ezinye izinto ezenzeka nje
You. That song. Now those are chords.
Yeah.
It's connecting it back.
Those are chords, right?
Yeah.
But I think okay, chords we understand it now. Keys we understand it. You know, are what are the things that you're actually saying now.
Yeah. Notes ziyafana ne-keys at some point because got do re mi fa sol la ti do.
Okay.
Yabo.
Push them.
La fa la di re mi re do. Those are notes.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
it's how you apply la.
is a note.
It's how you apply la key. You understand?
Sure.
It's how you apply la key. Yabo la di nje bese sithi di do. So for you to sustain okanye usustain ukuxa into uyicula ne. Sustain.
I thought it was a joint and a super.
So it's do re mi fa sol la ti do. You understand?
Ukhona enye show.
Damn.
Ukhona enye show.
Man, it's complicated.
Yeah, I think the body is like ukhona enye show ethi name the song in one note. Because
the phone is very different.
Man.
Yes.
Let me cook.
Clock it, Malume.
Okay.
Clock it, Malume. Now, Malume, utu angile. We need to create as notes. Use a note.
Kana kita for
Pwa.
and those udlala kita but
That's what.
Ngoba ngithatha igita sister kasenzele OTGPT.
Kabe ngene gita yabisuki.
Kawushukume sister usenzele OTGP. I like your swag.
OOTD.
Yes.
Right.
Oh,
By the way, just to hear and out.
Shukuma sis. This is what I want.
okay.
From the
I'm
head.
not saying together, but
W.
I'm trying.
W Sasa in the chat.
As if again.
Go.
I don't like
I hate. She
you know, like sister.
W sister.
My outfit, the tungile and this neck piece ndizenzele.
Wow.
And I bought this down. So yeah.
You should tongue this one.
The shoes, obviously, I was telling you was on.
They match.
Yeah.
Him was a lap. Eli random.
Yeah.
Wali sika washaiwe.
Yeah.
Too much talent. I think behind our shit.
That is
Yeah.
I saw a song with Ubiza.
Oh, that one.
What's the call? What's going on there?
What's this? I was thinking to me.
Right.
If you cherish him,
Yes.
if you cherish him, we're good. Be the go, Sana. No danger. Danger, low big nose.
Oh.
Alright. W Sasa in the chat. Ngwanaka. Okay.
Yeah. So I think you're gonna Puma next week.
Okay, this is now.
Yeah. This is now.
Come on, next week when Friday.
Yeah. I don't know about when, but last week, this week Wednesday would be the Tata information, Amagamani Ndoni, all the stuff. I was cooking on so
Right.
I'm sure maybe it's about out after 4 or 5 days. I'm not sure. I don't know. But
Okay.
it's
Okay.
a Puma very soon.
Fanbasi, because he has a show on Sunday next week.
Yeah.
Are you there?
No.
Who's gonna perform the song?
I don't know. Maybe he's gonna play. Ascated.
Oh, but we need at least we need the vocalist behind.
Yeah. I'm sure
Yeah,
he has plans.
This is our born. Ungasilibali.
Ungasilibali man.
Ubani?
Ungasilibali.
Umla?
Xa sekuthiwa kaloku
Ah,
ungabizana
guys.
bakhona.
Ungasilibali.
So-
No, I saw that. I was like, no, man. No, but like he is Grom. Must be a nice song though. Yeah. But
Yeah, Vince,
This
you
is like
wanna
me.
play?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
He can play.
No, I don't want to play.
Or I don't is
Please
crazy.
choose
He can
something.
play,
Come
but
in.
he just-
Yeah, he can
I-
play actually.
But I don't is
I actually got the guitar from him.
Don't is kind of
Plays it for me.
elements.
So you play.
And then tune up a bit.
Where is your tune? Like, it sounds like someone died in
Oh, nah.
No, Uncle, kaloku uyamazi bethe the Maskandi vibes. So it's at a whole different level now. So Vince, take it, tune it, ne? And then you come
I
back
don't
and
know how I got dragged into this. I'll fix it for you, Mikey.
yeah, fix it.
Play.
No, guys, let's take the win. Fix it first. We'll convince him later. Let's take the win. Right? Look,
I
this.
I wonder if I still have the app to tune it on me, actually.
He can play.
Yeah,
He
okay,
can
let's
play.
take
He got
it.
it. He got it. He doesn't take it for mine. But that guitar, I got it from him.
What do you
Actually.
mean?
Why you
So you
like
got the
that?
guitar from him.
So you can plug it. Look.
Let go speak in.
You can plug it.
That's all.
Huh?
Oh,
So when I was like your tune or your instrument.
That's my voice, man.
You what?
My voice.
You get the voice? Let us hear.
That's all.
Let us hear. So that's in the court. Let us hear.
But I do play
So-
guitar.
Hey,
I'm
let
not
us
good.
hear.
I'm not comfortable in both parts.
It's okay now. Let
So
us
I
hear.
don't own it, and the tick said this is my thing.
Okay.
now I also want.
Let us
I want.
hear.
I also want to hear if voices combined.
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Stop. Let us hear.
Ahlabene.
Yeah.
Oh,
Masi.
Cool. What do you say?
You said now you are good. Yeah, let's hear.
Apple says so. Go watch my music. Dog. I'm
We
not
know
saying it.
I'm not speaking for myself. I know.
No, man. I think if it's a tool, we can either we can play instrumentals or we can shabela something.
Uzayini beteka kubekho i-keys ke apha.
Yeah,
Azikho, but
too late.
just play into
Yeah, you
YouTube.
can play
Then
something.
we
Yeah.
Okay.
Jump
That's
on
what we
kuyo
can
ukuthi
tell
sadlalayo,
something.
you understand?
Yana. He can
What-
shabela something.
What
What are you looking for?
instrumental? Is there anything specific?
Nah, can sing anything.
I mean, I see a cappella this thing, man, to fully vibe.
Nah,
Chat, what should I sing, chat? What should I sing, chat?
Nah.
R&B.
So it's R&B.
South African style, ne?
Rhythm and blues.
South African style.
R&B.
Chat, we are about to do
South
some
African
a young voice to voice production.
Okay. Can search Apple
Voice to
type of
voice
beat.
production.
Afrobeat.
Afrobeat type of beat.
Yo, it's a freestyle, yeah? Sizoqala ngento comfortable kuyoqala.
Yeah, that would be nice.
You understand?
Okay.
No.
That's great.
Hey, look at Afrobeat.
Tell her,
Xa uzoqala ngento esiyaziyo sonke kaloku.
Try
No,
to-
to get
Imagine being able to build
Oh,
any.
After you guys
Garand.
are gonna do
Yeah.
one, like one.
And then what I'm gonna do?
LG. I like
As you
that.
can see, me, I'm on the side.
LG with
But if you guys are gonna do one,
MT.
so that means like if
What
like
check.
John Oguni, you guys are gonna do like what.
Yeah.
After that, you guys are gonna do yeah. Ne?
sizazibachuzela ingoma endifuna bazicula
Ah.
Got to take the egg
I think if
Alright, you give it a say.
okay, we look for a beat much.
I miss.
Okay, fuck it.
Oh, check. What up?
My God.
How much banana in this thing as the styles?
Yes.
It's a different thing.
Let's go, please.
So,
Family beat, God.
Mincili,
Family beat, God.
oh, mincili, oh.
If I say nice, it's sure it's nice. Okay.
Sicule ngantoni?
No, I got it. I got the hook. We're gonna do the verse.
Okay.
What are these?
From the top.
I'm going to understand. Yeah. Cut out as I cut. I just show tracks today.
Okay. Yes.
That's the thing.
Ibigla element. Kufuna kula element.
I think we'll do something.
Okay.
Kona yipite twemba benyazi.
But that one was fine.
Ingxaki it's too
Useyibambile.
it's too jumpy, yabo. Like
So yeah, Ginger,
if you're in the middle.
are you changing the bit?
Yeah.
No, you can't do that one. You just stingile.
Hey, okay. I'm just gonna open a new tab here. Dikhangele later as the next one after the other. Nothing is gonna change. Nothing's gonna change.
No, it's fine. You can change it.
No. We're gonna listen to it and we're gonna do something proper. Don't worry.
Okay. Hey.
Oh, you're paying me out. No. Type shit.
I'm sure we're gonna relate. I know. Kule ngoma.
Yo, I would tell.
One by one. Simple.
Ah.
Shit.
Yo. Kaleli boys.
Also,
My grandma had a really unusual name, Livia, and I was really curious about where
okay, we see it again. Right, you want to get a feature.
Where the boy, man? The empty.
Makhalila bahlali bathi bandike naye.
far.
Did you get here for your sense of what's
Back off.
Let's be together on the clip.
Then go back off.
Then I'm going to
Mama. Utake lakho igama. Izoyifota nawe. Izobhalika malakho. Is it the same one? Oh, yeah. That was dope. That was dope. Okay, it's like This was actually a good one. That was a good one. Okay. Umdokete yake.
ngikhumbule ekhaya.
Ubusithi wona bra ufuna like perform a single song.
Yeah.
Okay.
Udanya Devu.
But xa siperform a single song bekufanele siyazikhethela ingoma.
Okay.
Because for example, ugqibela man perform ngicela ingoma.
I think okay, I mean that's fine. That's also fine with Ketele, but nalena kata angili right.
Okay.
So like awuzuyenza.
Okay.
Hayo angili couch masiza kwezingoma ufuna
No, choose le.
Choose le.
I think I know why you ukhethe uSimi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. Umlosi sithi ubungwe.
No. Andiyazi lento niyicingayo why not? But I think you.
Yayivile kaSimi.
You try.
You
But
try.
you sing your song.
Yo.
Nemikhona instrumental yayo.
That's my thing. Xa ingoma zintsha.
But check
Is
it.
They might not have
yams, ne? Yams.
You try.
You try.
Oh shit.
How was the show, guys? This was showing the logo.
Yeah, how was the show? That's
Dang. Ingakazali lane nokucheba these days. Yeah.
Ngiriskile.
Ucebephi? Ngiyongibani? Come vusa si.
Elmans.
Come back ngibeke pako la stool. Come back.
Uko no yams.
With yams, yeah.
Ah, pa,
Akho instrumental yeah.
Ba, man. Siyethuba baba ndini.
Andiyazi like.
Kwani the camera record bit ngapha.
Okay, next week. Come in kwa.
Hayi, vele ka.
Also,
Hayi,
khona
hayi,
chicken pie for gym.
hayi nje.
Yo, nini try.
Nikamanzi.
Iyafana.
Cela phansi no.
Tell what you must do.
Come here. Kazin, somebody.
No, ndilapha back ngokubona. Sit down.
Lens is cooked.
Ayiko.
Ah, msiya.
Buna. Ayikho uyu try. There's a
lyric.
lyric, kuku lyric video.
Yeah, ukhona ke stream yake. Yena ndazwa ngayo ngikho si.
No, I'm about to say.
Tiny can.
Oh, that's siya. I do say one more.
Choose a ngoma. Very good.
Okay.
Itheni yamkathula wonke umuntu ujonga ku.
Akho besizoqala.
First person here.
Amasike lapha ebantwini qala ba. Siqale ba.
You're the first person. You're the first person.
Bathina abantu
Othe ufuna uzikhethe.
bathina abantu
Babeza enjoy la performance ke ngole besiyenza lesa freestyles.
Yeah.
Basa enjoy the freestyles.
Okay.
Wait.
Nabuya sabuya ke start.
I loved them as well.
Yeah. But yo was flew van the.
Kani ingoma zayi?
There we go.
Yatsinga kalona.
Ithina ngoma ibiculwa kuncedeka.
Ngomuntu unasayikhumbuza.
No, not le.
We have to do it the soul song also, guys.
At the soil.
Yeah.
Now,
No, I think
nanti
it's
nenomkhumbane.
Yeah, because siyazazi the verses zabo.
At the soil song would be
Sengeke kutsho la wethu.
Ngephi ngoma?
at the ngoba sacingayo.
Le nambele be might check ngayo.
Family unazi instrumentals must for sure.
check your family
The soil. Kamna ndiza na kunyanzela niye nonke.
Asikuphazamisa into ufike yenzile. Cha, we're just saying that asigqibile yonke lesiza yesingle. Sizabetha la command.
Asiqala ngayo.
Senze enye ingoma ezoba opera. Like a cappella.
We're hoping to find instrumentals.
Okay, but asinokhangela enye xorho nentela.
Yeah, the soil. The reason it's getting the soil for Tina is because it's already know who sings what part.
Besingazi bazocula makuzonwa.
Abezi ngoma zilapho thina zezasolo.
At the soil. Yo zizabaninzi. Family joy.
Okay.
Sasa you can choose your song.
Sibaninzi.
Qala masiqale ngayo lo before.
Hey, kaloku ithini la ngoma?
Hey.
Into ingawo.
Yo.
Ana tu ibulala ngomoko.
Yeka ami was that thing.
Kaloku izokwenza ndibezo kwenza kuye.
We do it.
Baphula. Baphula.
Not that like that. I love that song.
Chat ningabaphula.
Specific.
Bathiyacula.
No, I love it.
I made a nearly
Elections are-
Abanye bayakwazi.
Kanje kwi-
copyright, masimiza.
Ah, no.
Nailed it.
voice. Hayi ndothuka lenginotha. Hey. Yamasenthetha ngenothi. Ngenile nawo.
No. That was fire.
Yazi ndo mfethu ingoma sometimes when someone sings
Like
good, like when she sings good or he sings good. You libale the message yengoma, you just listen to them, how they sing, how talented they are. Fuck. This song.
W Army Sasa chat.
Yeah.
W Army Sasa in the chat. Army Sasa
This
in the
song,
chat.
and this is a song that
my God.
one take and I follow it.
Oh.
Yo, that was crazy though.
I gave him a chance on my set.
MP put
last minute and the figure late.
did he
And then he
karaoke?
took the mic.
He can karaoke,
performing this song. I said,
can-
look
it's-
at that.
Instrument, yeah.
Vale talent ngaphandle.
How about another performer?
You?
I'm from
Yeah,
Leader.
this one.
I'm from Leader.
Yo.
How's busy?
Oh,
The guys who figured out it was 7.
Army
9.
Sasa
Like
in
I
the
goosebumps,
bed.
man. I look at this guy and hayibo. Kulo muntu lofana ndamphantsa ndamnika intanduka
Chance.
Hey, Army Sasa.
That was a crazy day.
That was insane.
Yeah, I do a much slower version of the song. I didn't do it. that.
Yeah.
I'm up over first.
Yeah.
And he took the mic and walked off the stage. While it's
Come on, let's sing and say.
WRNB and Soul Stream in the building. Chat.
That sound is travel shot.
Yeah, my man.
Wow, what performance?
Chat. I was fire. Chat. I was
For horsemen, the rap.
Yo, WRNB and Soul Stream. Chat. You know what I'm saying?
One life, two life, then down, another day.
Yo, that was a performance right there. Chat. I don't lie. That was actually fire.
performance.
Very expensive, no lie.
Performance,
No lie.
Expensive.
yeah, it's
What?
expensive.
It's a good question.
I'm performing.
Kuthiwa wayelela usiya. Kuthiwa unje chat.
MG.
Umbone njani?
Music director.
Chat ebehleli ngoku bra. I don't know what happened. Apparently it has something to do with Heineken. Yeah, well, I don't want to I don't want to accuse anybody, chat. Chat, I don't want to accuse anybody, but something to do with Heineken and all that jazz. Utipile for some reason. I don't know what happened there. Maybe we're tired. Let's say udiniwe man. Yabo. Yo, chat. I don't know this question. But masiti uhleli. Masinatsiki.
Choose
Which one is
but guys, don't forget R&B and soul. Silapha phakathi, silapha emzansi okoko, ne?
WRNB.
One.
Which one is the one?
Kuno-3 niza choose.
Okay.
Kuno-3 ngombo zayicula but icela i-1. Noba ngubani.
Which song? Which song?
Philandlos.
Hayi.
Bani? Philandlos.
Paul.
Oh.
Phila as in heal, Dlozi. DLO. I know N Dlozi. DLOZI.
Let's not forget R&B and soul. So we need one song. Yes. A1. Yeah. So siyenze ulanduka rock paper and scissors who's gonna sing it.
Ndiyathemba uyasi.
Only one.
Search it, ba? Hello, search it.